Released July 3rd, 2025 for $205 retail price. These Pure Money 3s are a hit. Now, personally speaking, the reason why I think they're available and the reason why they're sitting and the reason why you don't want them is just simply because I don't think we need another Jordan 3 sneaker in 2025. What's going on? You know who it is. This is your boy MTIP, Mr. Think I'm Possible, where I challenge you to think that I'm possible, where we're just taking sneaker dreams and turning to sneaker reality, and we are going to go over the Air Jordan 3 Pure Money. Now, I personally do not think we needed this sneaker this year. There's no problems with this sneaker. We, we just don't need it. Like, flat out, we do not need these in 2025. It is a perfect summertime kick. This white with these hits of silver and gray, y'all already know when it comes to certain colorways, you can put any color lace. You can literally put any color lace inside this silhouette and it's gonna work. Try it out. It'll work. But let's take a look at this kick. Now, starting with the box, we have this standard box here. Box reads white metallic silver white. We have this standard box here, kind of like the OG box, because what we have been getting with the Air Jordan 3s, and this box is just like the Black Cat 3s that you didn't like as well, that dropped earlier this year. But what we have been getting with the Air Jordan 3s has been kind of like the box that has like there's a little portion of it kind of shows you that elephant print of what the same color as the silhouette, that's inside of it, as you can see here in the pictures. But the Black Cat 3s have there's a similarity between the Black Cat 3s and the Pure Money 3s. We have a nice texture, a soft leather all throughout the white of the shoe, from that toe box wrapped all the way around to the side. On the eyelets there, we do have like that silver eyelets. But if you take a look at the top there, the top two eyelets, that's more of like a chrome hits, and right there on the bottom as well, we have the chrome hits as well. The elephant print that's on here, it actually looks good. I know there's been issues with elephant print in the past, especially when it comes to Jordan 3s, and the elephant print here actually looks pretty good overall. I mean, this is like a white and silver and gray kick, so once again, you cannot go wrong with these colors. Now, we know how with certain silhouettes, within the Nike and the Jordan brand, they're gonna yellow over time. It is what it is. It happens. There's really nothing that you can do about it. But wear your kicks. Wear them, because the yellowing will happen. To me, I actually like the way it looks when it starts to yellow, certain yellows. But wear your kicks, because it's just going to happen. That's what happens throughout time. The bottom of these are going to get extremely dirty because it's just a white outsole there, and it is what it is. Watch my cleaning videos. I do lives where I clean videos and whatnot, because you can always clean. You can even clean the outside of your kicks as well. Wear your kicks and have fun. Let me know what you'll think about these kicks. On that tongue, it doesn't feel like leather. Kind of feels like a vinyl on there, and I don't know what this that Jumpman is kind of pressed into the tongue. But once again, these were released in 2007, so now we're talking like 18 years later. And once again, there's nothing wrong with this kick. This is a fire kick. I just don't think we needed it in 2025, because Nike opened up the vault, and the floodgates are open, and these are readily available right now for below retail. Get on the third-party apps if you shop there, and you will gracefully see that these are going for $158, $160. Your boy was able to cop them for $120. Today's like July 10th, and they came out on the 3rd. So all I had to do was wait a couple of days, and I was able to cop these for $120. Let me know what y'all think about these kicks. Would you even rock these? Would you keep the original laces in there, or would you lace swap them? Y'all let me know.